Differentiation of determinants. Okay, how do you differentiate determinants? See, differentiation of determinants is carried out either row wise or you carry out either or column wise. Okay, now what do you mean by row wise and column wise? Suppose I have got uh, wait, suppose I have got fx is equal to given fx is equal to determinant of cos x plus x square sin x plus x square minus cos x plus x square sin x minus x square cos x minus x square. Sin x minus x square. And you have sin 2x. 0. Sin 2x square. Okay, suppose you have this kind of a determinant. Okay, and the question here is find f dash 0. F dash 0 means derivative or differentiation of fx at x is equal to 0. Okay, this is your question. Now, how do you carry out the differentiation of determinants? Now, remember one thing, that differentiation of determinants can be carried out either row wise or you can carry out column wise.
Column wise.
So how do you actually differentiate? See, first we shall find f dash x.
Yes, sir.
Okay. First we shall find out f dash x. Solution. Now f dash x. What is f dash x here? What do I mean that differentiation is carried out either row wise or column wise? See, if I want to differentiate row wise, okay, what I will do is I will differentiate each element of the first row. Okay, leave the second and third row as it is. So
Okay, sir.
if I differentiate each element of the first row, what am I going to get? TDS of cos is minus sine
Yes,
x
sir.
plus x square
Yes, sir.
into 1 plus 2x, right?
Yes, sir.
Similarly
Yes.
here, what am I going to get? Cos x plus x square into 1 plus 2x, right? And here I'm going to get
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
DDF of cos is minus sine. So minus cos becomes only plus sine. Okay. We have differentiated the
Okay,
first
sir.
row and we leave the second and third row as it is. The second and the third row we leave as it is, whatever is there. We only differentiate the first row.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this forms the determinant. Next, what we are going to do is we are now going to differentiate the second row only. We are going to give a plus sign and we are going to differentiate. We are going to keep the first row as it is, cos x plus x square, sin x plus x square, and again I think it's a minus cos x plus x square. Okay, in the original determinant, this was our first row, wasn't it? In this original determinant in
Yes,
fx,
sir.
we keep it as it is. Now in this, we differentiate the second row. You get cos 1 minus 2x minus sine 1 minus 2x. Okay, and
Okay, sir.
into the derivative of this, which is 1 minus 2x. I differentiated wrongly. If you are differentiating each element of the second row, here you will get cos x minus x square into 1 minus 2x. Next is minus sine x minus x square into 1 minus 2x. And here this is cos x minus x square into 1 minus 2x. Okay, so we have differentiated the second row, and third row we write as it is.
Yes, sir.
Sine 2x,
Oh,
0,
okay, sir.
sine 2x. And now we'll do it same with the third row. We'll give a plus sign and we'll form the determinant where the first row is the same as the given question, cos x plus x square, sin x plus x square, and minus cos x plus x square. So the first row is the same as
Right.
the given question. Second row will also be given the same as the question, sin x minus x square next cos x minus x square and sin x minus x square. And the third row will differentiate. The differentiation of sin 2x is 2 cos 2x. This is 0. And differentiation of sin 2x square is cos 2x square into ddx of 2x square, which is simply 4x, right? Right? 4x cos 2x square.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have got f dash x is equal to sum of these three determinants when we have differentiated row wise. Same thing you can do column wise also if you want. Okay, I have proceeded row wise, you can do column wise if you want.
Okay, sir.
So now what happens? We have already found f dash x. We are now going to find f dash 0. So therefore, what is f dash 0? F dash 0 is in the first one, in the first determinant. If you put x is equal to 0, what do you get? Sin 0, which is 0. And here, what do you get? Cos 0 into 1, which is 1. So you get
Yes.
0 and you get a 1.
Yes, sir.
And here, if you put x is equal to 0, you get again 0, sin 0. Right? Next, here if you get sin 0,
Yes,
cos
sir.
0, sin 0. So it means 0, 1, 0. Okay, and here you get sin 0, 0, and again sin 0. So all are zeros. So first determinant is this one, if you put x is equal to 0. Second determinant is put x is equal to 0. First you get this as cos 0, isn't it? Which is 1. Next you get sin
Yes, sir.
0, which is 0. Next you get minus cos 0, which is minus 1. Next you get cos 0 into 1, isn't it? Which is again 1.
Yes, sir.
Next you get sine 0, which is 0. Next you get cos 0 into 1, which is 1. Next you get sine 0, which is 0. Again a 0 and again a 0. So this is your second determinant. What about the third determinant? Third determinant you have cos 0, which is 1. Sine 0, which is 0. Minus cos 0, which is minus 1. Again a sine 0, which is 0. Again cos 0 minus 0 square, which is cos 0, which is 1. And again a sine 0, which is 0. And here you get 2 cos 0, which is 2. 0. And again a 0. Okay, so what is my answer? Value of this determinant is 0 because this row is 0.
Yes, sir.
Value of this determinant
Yes,
is
sir.
also 0 because this row is 0. What about the value of this determinant? Find out the value of this determinant. First, this is your plus position, minus position, plus position. See, we are expanding by the first row. 1 into 1,
Yes.
0, 0, 0. Okay. Minus 0 times 0, 0, 2, 0. And then a minus 1 times 0, 1, 2, 0. Okay. So let's see what we are getting. 0 plus
Okay, sir.
0. This determinant is also 0. That's this determinant. This is 0. And what do you get here? Minus 1 into 0 minus 2. Right? Which is
Yes, sir.
only 2. Okay? You
Yes,
understood?
sir.
So the value of this
Yes,
determinant
sir.
is
Yes, sir.
simply 2.
Yes.
This is how you differentiate a determinant. Okay? You can do the same
Yes,
thing
sir.
column wise also. So you see here fx was given as a single determinant. When we are finding f dash x, I split into 3 determinants. First determinant was the derivative of the first row and then the 2 rows as it is. Second determinant was the derivative of the second row and first and third as it is. And the third determinant was the derivative of the third row in the first and the second as it is. And we found the value at x is equal to 0, which is f dash 0. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now there is one more thing which I would just like to mention.
Yes, sir.
That is another application of determinant is how to show that 3 lines are concurrent. You have done concurrency. You have done concurrency of straight lines in class 11.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by concurrency?
Yes, sir. Yes.
What do you mean by concurrency? Concurrency of 3 straight lines. Of 3 straight lines. Concurrency of 3 straight lines. What does it mean? If 3 straight lines have the same point of intersection. You see these 3 straight lines?
Yes, sir.
These are concurrent because they have the same point of intersection. Okay, these 3 straight lines are concurrent. Let us say that if the equation of the first straight line is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. Equation of this straight line is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. And third straight line is a3x plus b3y plus c3 is equal to 0. Suppose these 3 are the straight lines. You want to show that these 3 straight lines are concurrent. You can simply say 3 straight lines call this equation number 1. Question number 2. Number 3. These three straight lines, if you want to show that they are concurrent, that is, they have a common point of intersection, if you can show that this determinant is equal to 0. Okay. If you can show that the determinant
Okay, sir.
formed by the coefficients of the straight lines is equal to 0, then you can say that three straight lines are concurrent. See, if I give you three equations, can you show they are concurrent? Yes? Tell me
Yes.
fast.
Yes.
How will you show?
Yes, sir.
How will you show?
So we will solve two equations.
Hmm? Solve two
Or
equations.
we will
You simply show this determinant is equal to 0. That's it. Understood? In class 11, what did we do?
Okay, sir.
In class 11, what we
Okay.
solved, we chose any two equations, we solved them. You got the point of intersection, and then we showed that it satisfies the third equation, right? But
Yes,
instead
sir.
of
Yes,
doing
sir.
all that, what you can simply show is
Yes,
that
sir. Yes, sir.
the value of this
Yes, sir.
determinant is equal to 0. Then you can say that the three straight lines are concurrent. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
So that finishes off with your
Yes, sir.
determinants, matrices and determinants. Entirely, or that entire chapter is over. Okay. Now only see
Okay, sir.